The CCC has not only betrayed Zimbabwe, it has betrayed the legacy of Mugen Tsvangirai, who believed he was building a genuine democratic alternative. What remains today is a hollow structure compromised from within. Sarabina mashuku kubuda panguva inoita kanakirira muchati achiti Citizen Coalition for Change panguva ino yazowondomoka ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pendo pake abudanyira achiti in 2023 NelsoncHamisa told the nation that in personally selected the party's candidates, those very same individuals are now openly or quietly aligning themselves with Emerson Mnangagwa and his agenda. This is not coincidence, it is accountability. In these candidates represent Chamisa's choices, then their conduct reflects his political position. Their support for ETC is, by extension, his silence in action. His failure to clear and consistently condemn Cap 3 is not an oversight, it is a position. The case of MP for Bodiri Sosen Matsunga is not an anomaly, it is evidence. The position is become a carefully managed illusion, a political albatross, dragging the nation further into stagnation while pretending to offer resistance. The Zimbabweans must not be deceived any longer. This is bigger than personalities or parties. It is about defending our constitution, our dignity, our mental and physical well-being, and our standing as a people. No system can suppress a people who are united and clear in purpose. Together, Zimbabwe must rise above the deception and reclaim our future. Doma developments are panguva ino ari kunoka the Citizen Coalition for Change panguva ino yachizoparara from the leader kune his body and everyone else. Kuchonoko kunzi people that are deflecting the ruling party ZANU-PF nokuda kokuda mari kuti vaindose ZANU-PF speed. Kana comment section medu zofura email to do pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musasubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.